Hello everyone, this is Manjoo Sree and I'm so happy to connect with you in here. Are you really living the life you're meant to be living? Be beautiful, beautiful you. No matter what your dreams or obstacles are, you have the power to change your life and change the world. Look at us at Finland with the happy women. I can hear you thinking aloud. You're talking to me? What do you know of me? All that I know, there is only one you in this entire universe. You are unique and special your own way. What way now? Are you ready to experience it all yourself? Life is tough. It is. You are tougher. You are the captain of your ship of life. This is your life, your day, your hour, your moment. Yes, it is time to fly. Are you ready to get high on happiness and learn simple cues of life? In the keynote leadership of me, Manjoo Sree, receiver of Women Achiever Award 2016 at Kongu Vellalar College, Road, Women of Inspiration 2017 at Tyagaraja College of Polytechnic, Madurai, Inspiration singer behind the cover single Yettadha Dooram, an inspirational song which reached more than 5 lakh views around the globe. My transformational workshops count to 500 plus around the globe, reaching more than 6,000 plus audience, starting from corporates,
It was special because we could identify ourselves at this point of time, at this age, when we think we know everything, we still know we don't know anything about ourselves. So I think it was opening, and the last couple of months we've been trying to do a lot of these self-realization programs, and I think this was sort of the window was a good
successful, happy women from various spheres of life. And enthusiastic students.
Yeah, this workshop has taught me a lot. I've been to many workshops before this for acting and many stuff, but it was not even a match close to this. So this was a class apart.
Thank you.
The world needs more of heroes. Why wait for them when you can be the one? Lifeolicious, my initiative of self-help to live life when alive. For the very first time in India, Lifeolicious presents Sing-a-Life. Sing Lifeolicious. Don't dream your life, live your dreams. A mega super fun coaching initiative where we are proving life can be all yours 100%, just the way you want it to be. You are your own superhero. An intense 150 minutes motivational program where singing and coaching, the most two powerful medium of communication, are set to ignite the potential in you. Your students, employees, family and friends. Our workshops specialize to de-stress people through happiness quotient. And yes, singing assures an attentive, absorbing audience.
பாட்டு மேலே ரொம்ப இஷ்டம், பாட்டு டான்ஸ் ரெண்டுமே. பட் பாட்டு மேலே ஒரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இஷ்டம் பிகாஸ் பாடும்போது எனக்கே ரொம்ப அது தெரப்யூட்டிக்காக இருக்கும்.
அதாவது முறைப்படி ஏதாவது சங்கீதம் கற்றுக்கொண்டிருக்கிற மாதிரி
9 years
Combined with our intensified coaching, uber productive, happy week. All we need is an eager, passionate audience, 150 minutes and audio. A sense of adrenaline rush for life in every individual guaranteed. Are you ready to make the leap from aha moments to an aha life, but aren't sure how? There is only one thing you got to do, no matter what you've been through until now. This workshop is not of vague, high-level concepts that make no freaking sense, but of researched, practical, action-oriented steps. And this works. No more taking 2 steps forward and 1 step back. This is your time. Let's make it happen.
எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். சேலம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாலே ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஞாபகத்துக்கு வருது மாம்பழம் தான். இப்போது எனக்கு அடுத்து சேலம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் Lifeolicious. You guys are doing a fantastic job and you guys are loaded with energy, loaded with life, full of life.
Are you ready? Yes! Connect with us now. Call us at 97-894-77777 or mail us at lifeolicious@live.com. And yes, P.S. the investment you put in majorly goes to the community outreach programs. That's our happy. To know more about us, connect at www.lifeolicious.com and our LinkedIn profile in the name of Manjoo Sree. I hope to see you soon. Goodbye. Sing-a-Life, an uber-powered singing motivational initiative by Lifeolicious, created with work by original pics and videos of Lifeolicious, copyrighted. Thank you for listening and watching.